Hello, I'm Dario Mattei from Matteirealty.ca. Welcome to 16 Isernia Crescent. This beautiful Vaughan home has some incredible features we'd like to show you. So please come with us and take a tour of the home. Thank you. This beautiful home has a beautiful open concept design that's perfect for entertaining. From the family room with built-in entertainment unit, gas fireplace, to the gourmet kitchen with granite countertop, center island gas stove, and the two-story dining room area. Not to mention there's also a main floor den with double door entrance, ideal for the work at home situation, and a main floor laundry room. We're in the primary ensuite bath. It features 6 pieces, his and hers sink. The primary suite itself is so large there's a sitting area as well as a full walk-in closet with custom organizers. The primary suite has a double door entrance that overlooks the two-story dining room. The main floor laundry features a quartz countertop, cabinetry. There's also main floor access to the double car garage, and what's really unique here, there's easily a door that can be hung to make a private entrance to the finished lower level with kitchenette, full bath, and 2 bedrooms. The professionally finished lower level of this home has 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a recreation room with pot lighting and fireplace. There is also a beautifully finished kitchen area, which is ideal for a potential in-law suite or potential income.